What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad is in the house. In this video I got a new patient, 2019 BMW 530, brand new car, just pretty much came off the dealer's lot, still doesn't have no plates. So let's take a closer look at my new patient. So we got a brand new BMW, front end looking good. Let's walk around towards the back, and here's the damage. Right rear quarter corner got damaged, so it looks like the tailgate, trunk, quarter, both tail lights, bumper. Same with this tail light is damaged as well. So we're gonna pull the car inside of the shop, take it apart and see what else is damaged, and we'll start writing an estimate and dealing with the insurance company. So yeah, beautiful car though overall. Alright, let's take a closer look at this patient. Got a little injured. We're gonna remove the bumper right now to look at the damage, what else is damaged underneath. But yeah, this is the project. The gap seems to be okay here, so it's just this corner. So we're gonna remove everything and go from there. Alright, so I removed the bumper, the tail light, everything inside of the trunk as well. So yeah, it looks like the rear body, the tail light pocket, and this all got damaged. So we're gonna wait for the insurance adjuster come out and go from there. But yeah, something like this. So for now we wait till the adjuster comes. So after going back and forth with the insurance adjuster, we all finally decided to replace everything. New quarter, new rear body, new trunk, bumper, light, all the grills. Instead of repairing the quarter, we're gonna replace it. So it's a brand new car, only has 300 miles, so we're gonna do everything new on it, so it will be 100% perfect once it leaves our shop. So let's take a closer look at the estimate. So here's the estimate. So new quarter, trunk, light, rear bumper, reinforcement, so everything brand new. Right now we're gonna take the trunk off, put the car on the frame machine so we could secure it. We're gonna pull the quarter panel out as perfect as we can, and this way we could take the car off the frame machine, cut the old quarter panel and the rear body, and install the new quarter, and this way the new quarter will fit perfectly, and we'll start painting and all that good stuff. So enough of this talk and let's get to work. So right now we'll start by removing the trunk and then freeing everything up here so we could do our pull. The BMW secured on the frame machine. So right now we're gonna pull the back end. We've got the arm. So we'll pull this corner. And yeah, should be good, and then we'll start cutting it out once this is all straight and replacing it. But yeah, just secured 4 sides, so we're good to go. So we drilled the hole in there and we got the chain through, and we gotta pull the corner right now, because anyways we gotta replace all that stuff. Boom, the corner came out a little bit more. So we'll switch to this corner and pull this out. Little progress report. My dad cut some of the quarter panel out, same with the rear body. So right now I'm gonna cut the rest of it out and start fitting the new one, test fitting, make sure everything lines up pretty good. Okay, rear glass is out, so right now we're gonna cover everything and start cutting this out around there, and should come out, slap the new one, and ready to go. Okay, so I cleaned everything off, so this is where I'm going to drill or grind all my holes. And cut here, then cut this lip, and the quarter panel should just come off nice and easy. So let's start drilling. Little progress report. So we cut everything out, so now we're gonna go around the welds, touch up with the primer so we don't have any rust later on, and start test fitting the new quarter and the rear body. So yeah, something like this, slowly coming together. So we got a new rear body and new quarter panel. So we'll start test fitting. We need to cut this one a little bit. Whoa, careful, buddy. So yeah, we'll cut that one a little bit and start test fitting everything. And that's how she looks. So pretty. Skirt up. So I'll be using this Weld Primer 3M. And so I went around and covered everything, so all the grinding marks are covered with the primer, so this way we don't have any rust later down the line. So right now we could start installing, test fitting, installing the quarter panel. So I cut 2 pieces, they're gonna go right here, so this way you could hold 2 quarters together, and then one at the bottom. right here. And yeah, and then we'll weld them together, and that's gonna be our seam. Yep, something like this. So let's get it. All right, I put those inside. Same on this side, and the reason why I only did grind in the middle, because we're gonna do the weld in here so it sticks better, and this one is fine. And same on this side. Bada bing, bada boom. So now we could install the quarter panel and the trunk after that. And pretty much if everything lines up pretty good, we'll start doing our welding. Alright, so we installed the quarter, everything looks pretty good. So right now I'm gonna install the trunk to see how my gaps are right here. And if everything comes out perfect and we're happy with the gaps, we'll start welding. Okay, so quarter is aligned. We secured it. Everything looks good. Gaps are perfect. So we secured it on a couple of screws so we could start doing our welding. This gap is perfect. Same with the door. And door opens, closes, no problem. So yeah, everything up here, nice and clean. So yeah, we'll start doing our welding. Alright guys, that's a wrap for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2 we'll be securing the quarter panel completely, getting the car ready for paint. So for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, still hit the thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.